Welcome to this Bedroq video. My name is Craig, and today we'll be covering how to properly use SharePoint permissions when sharing documents and folders. Bedroq is a Microsoft Solutions partner for modern work. This means that we are Microsoft experts who can support you with the best solutions to enhance your organization's modern work environment. Whether you're sharing files internally or externally, it's important to make sure that you have the right permissions set for each situation and how to edit them if you need to. So let's get into it. First things first, it's worth pointing out that you get the same settings menu no matter where you do this from. For example, if I have opened the document and find the shared button in the top right hand corner, click share, a menu like this will pop up. You have the cog in the top right hand corner to view your share settings. If you click on these icons down here, you can manage access. This is your default setting, and you can also type in names and copy the link from here. You will get the same menu from SharePoint. The share button here, little symbol looks like an arrow. Click it once, and here you go. Same menu, cogs with the share settings, manage access, and where you can type names and copy the link, as well as your default settings. You can also get the same menu from OneDrive as well. Similar thing, exactly the same button, click it once, let it load, and here you go. You've got sharing settings, manage access, default settings, and the rest of it. And again, you can access the same menu from your File Explorer too, like this. You can right click here, find this little icon, click share, it'll load again, and there you go. Got sharing settings, managing access, default settings, copy link, typing in the names. As well as in here, you've got the same share button up here once you click on the document, so it's highlighted, click share, and there you go. I know that looks like a lot of information, but don't worry, I'm here to take you through it step by step, so let's keep going. It's important to understand the default settings, which, depending on where the document is and who owns the document, may vary. The default settings will probably be set by the IT admin of your company. Now basically, if you navigate into this menu, either by clicking on that bit of text here, or using the cog in the top right hand corner, you can edit the permissions for your document. If you are sharing the document with someone within your team who should have the same level of access as you, use the People with Existing Access option. This creates a direct link to the document. Click Apply, copy the link, and then you can paste that into whichever Teams chat, email, however you're sharing it. If you choose the people within your organization, in this case Bedroq, or people you choose, it will create a unique link direct to the document. When someone then opens this link, it will require authentication. So if the details don't match, they won't be able to access it. Within these settings, you can come down to this section here, click the drop-down menu, and you can decide if the person that you're sending the link to can simply view it, or whether they're able to make any changes and edit the file. If you've got it set to only being able to view it, you can decide whether you can stop them from downloading the file or not. This is particularly useful if you're sending it externally and don't want them to have a copy of it. Click Apply, then again, you can just copy the link and send it off. Now here's a bit of a tricky bit. Say you click the option for people you choose, click Apply, and then in this box, you want to type in the name of somebody. So I will do me. I've clicked copy link, and then say I get distracted or I decide I don't need to share it this way anymore. The document will still be shared, even though I didn't actually send the link or complete this process. To double check who does have access, you can find the share button again on your file or in your SharePoint. Come to this section here that says manage access, these little icons. Click on it once, and this will open up a new window with more settings. This will show the people that it's been shared with, the groups that already have access to it, and the permissions that they have, as well as any extra links that have been created. Now say you don't want that link to work anymore, you can come into the links part, this cog button, come down to the list of people, perhaps there's more than just yourself on it, find this little cross, hit that, and this will stop this link from working for this person. If I go back into Manage Access, you can see that I am no longer under here. So I know that was a lot of information and perhaps a bit confusing, but here are some points for you to think about. Make sure that your document is in the right location to start with, and that's up to you and your organization. Think about whether the person you're sharing it with already has access to it. Double check your settings if you want them to just view it or be able to edit it. And finally, if you're sending it externally, you may want to block the download so that they're not able to have a copy of it on their system. Come here to copy the link and send it the way you want to, or type in the names of people you wish to then send it to here. You can save yourself and your IT team the headache of trying to work out who has access to the document and how by ensuring that the correct permissions have been set. And that's us for today. If you found this helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to keep an eye out for more content like this. Bedroq also hosts a monthly What's New in Microsoft 365 webinar, where you can find out about the latest features and updates coming to Microsoft 365. You can find out more on our website or right here on our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.